Hello beautiful people, today's DIY we're going to be making beeswax food wraps. We're going to need obviously some beeswax. I ordered this from Amazon, a stirring stick of some sort, a pot with water for your double boiler, and also you're going to need a old pot, and I'm using a spatula that I've also already used for wax. And you'll need a dirty baking tray and some parchment paper. The last thing you're going to need is a sponge or an old paintbrush, and you want to create a double boiler, so put your old pot in your pot of water and then add your wax to your pot and slowly heat it up. I had this at a low flame, and you do not want to microwave this, so definitely heat it up slowly until it's completely melted. What you want to do next is take your baking tray and your parchment paper and place your fabric on top. Then take your brush or your sponge and add the wax to the fabric. You want to kind of soak it through. Make sure to concentrate on the corners of it and completely cover it. It's going to look really messy, and it does dry really fast, so you want to work kind of quickly. And place it into the oven at 200 degrees for about 2 or 3 minutes. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. It's all kind of distributed nice and evenly and quickly. What you want to do is grab a rack and some clothespins. I use clothespins or something to clip the fabric. And carefully, this is really hot, grab your fabric and hang it. I put a piece of parchment paper on the bottom to catch any of the drippings, and I let that hang for about 20 minutes. It dried fairly quickly because the wax does dry really fast. And then after you're done, it's really malleable, it dries quick, and you're ready to use it. So here I'm just kind of showing you guys that with the heat of your hand, it actually helps kind of form the wax and hold it into place. Hand wash these with cold water. Don't use hot water because then they'll start melting the wax off of the fabric. And that is it. It's super easy. You could use it with your fruits and vegetables or your kids' lunch, or with a bowl like I'm showing here. Again, use the heat of your hands to kind of mold the fabric to the shape you want it to be. A quick tip: you might want to sometimes use a paper towel before wrapping it in the wax wrap, so it doesn't really get that taste of the beeswax. And that is it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.